Hello, dear children. Welcome back to another season of online classes. Due to the pandemic of Corona hit once again, the Karnataka yet again facing the second time the Corona, mean the second wave of Corona. Therefore, the government has instructed you people to stay home at least for 20th of this month. Therefore, I would like to continue where we left out in the last class. Dear children, for the both of the classes, I was discussing about the problems on thrust and pressure. I am continuing the same here also. We will solve few more problems on the concept of thrust and pressure where we are into the last part, that is the problems on density and relative density. So let's take the problem number. You take it as the continuation of the last. The density of copper, the density of copper is 8.9 gram per cm cube. 8.9 gram per cm cube. Calculate the relative density of the copper. The relative density of the copper. Relative density of copper. Given that the density of water is 1 gram per cm cube. The density of water, which is equal to 1 gram per cm cube. So this is our problem. We would like to solve that problem. The density of copper is 8.9 gram per cm cube. You need to calculate the density, relative density of copper. So here, for a problem, we use the technique. Given data from the problem are as follows. Number 1, the density of water that is mentioned, the density of water, you take it as dW, which is equal to 1 gram per cm cube, and the density of copper. So what is the value of density of copper here? That is equal to dC, which is indicating density of copper, which is given as 8.9 gram per cm cube. Now the relative density Rd of copper is equal to how much? You take it as how much. Okay. The solution for this problem, we have that relative density of copper, in this case it is equal to the density of copper divided by density of water at 4 degrees centigrade. That is the reminder for you. Density of water at 4 degrees centigrade or Celsius, and the density of the substance, that is the relative density, the definition of relative density, which is equal to, as per our problem, density of copper divided by density of water. which is given at 4 degrees Celsius is equal to 1 gram per cm cube. Remember, these units are in CGS system of units, therefore no problem here because we are finding the ratio of that, therefore they will cancel. So no need to convert those into international system of unit. So here density of copper, which is given by 8.9 gram per cm cube, divided by 1 gram per cm cube. Therefore gram per cm cube cancel each other. 8.9 divided by 1 is equal to 8.9. Therefore the relative density of copper is equal to 8.9. So this is the answer for the first problem. I hope you got this point clear. Now we are into the next problem, which may be the final one of this chapter. The relative density of silver is 10.8. The relative density of silver this time is 10.8. If the density of water is 1 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube, then find the density of silver. Find the density of silver. So this is our next problem. The relative density of silver, which is given as 10.8. If the density of water, this time they have mentioned the value of density of water in kg per meter cube. Therefore, we need to find the answer, the density of silver in kg per meter cube only. Okay. Now given from the problem are as follows. The relative density of silver is equal to 10.8. Since relative density is the ratio, therefore it does not have any unit. Similarly, we have density of water, which is equal to dW. Take it as dW, which is equal to density of water in terms of kg per meter cube is 10 to the power 3, 1 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. So density of silver is equal to how much? Density of silver ds, which is equal to how much? So just interchange the formula of interchange the values here. See, the relative density of any substance in this case is silver, relative density of silver this time, which is equal to, as per the formula, the density of silver divided by density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. Density of water in this case is 1 kg per meter cube. Just rewriting that expression here, density of silver is taken as ds divided by dW. Therefore, sending dW on the LHS along with relative density of silver, which gives you the final result, that is ds, density of silver is equal to relative density of silver into dW, the density of water. Therefore, relative density is mentioned already 10.8. and density of water is 1 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. So this is the density of silver, and hence the result can be written as ds is equal to 10.8 into 1 is 10.8 itself, so into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. So this is the result of the problem. I hope you got this point. I mean, this problem is well. So this ends the chapter of thrust and pressure. So in the next video, I am going to start the new topic, that is work, energy and power. It's supposed to be done by you people as per my instructions, but this pandemic created lots of differences. Therefore, in the next class we will definitely take that portion. Till then, take care. Bye bye.